opportunity to work and learn from a variety of projects such as trails, neighborhood parks, city parks, neighborhood improvements, school entrances, laying out commercial sites, and my personal favorite, picking out plant palettes. There is always something to learn from each project, so it makes the work feel meaningful. With time and curiosity, I've been working at LAMP full-time for close to a year now, and I can confidently say I have learned something new every day. But being curious and interested in the work makes what I learn stick. So combining time and curiosity together, I've seen my skill set grow. Working in my profession, in one word, it feels wholesome. The work that we do benefits its users both physically and emotionally. It also fulfills me to work on projects knowing that we have an impact on those who use the space. I can confidently say that everyone I worked with at LAMP has helped me in some way. One of my favorite things about working at LAMP is the people. Everyone is approachable and eager to help. Definitely ask at least one question a day. That's what helps me learn. Getting involved in organizations in and outside of work. And then make sure to do things that inspire you and spark your creativity. And lastly, don't be afraid to bring your ideas to the table.